Hello and welcome everyone to An Academy for your cat preparations. एक बार बस फटाफट check कर लो if the things are going technically right. Yes, they are technically right. चलो, we have another wonderful session on logical reasoning. Yeah, this would be premiered, I guess. Yes, because of the lack of time, some technical issues. This is a premiere. Okay, but yes, this is as good as live. Okay, I have got some great questions today. What we'll do, we'll practice them. Okay, this is the 59th session. This is the 59th session on logical reasoning. Yes, and the 18th one is daily problem practice. So we are going to take some very good questions today. I have something very good in my bag for you guys. Till then, let me quickly introduce myself. So I am Ashish Kumar. I'm a next time faculty. I did work there for 8 long years. I taught there for 8 long years. Matlab, I've been teaching this subject, logical reasoning and data interpretation, since 8 long years now. Starting from 2017, I have always produced a student who scores more than 99.9 plus percentile. Starting from 2017 itself. Awesome. चलो, now those who are new, जो लोग नए हैं, जिन्होंने चैनल ज्वाइन नहीं किया है, आई डू रिकमेंड कि आप लोग टेलीग्राम पे हमारा फैमिली ज्वाइन कर लो, अन अकेडमी के ऐप। करना क्या है आपको, ये जो लिंक लिखा है ना, कॉपी दिस लिंक एंड पेस्ट दिस ऑन द ब्राउजर। यहाँ ब्राउजर है, क्रोम ओपन करो एंड पेस्ट इट ऑन द ब्राउजर। ठीक है, एक इंटरफेस ओपन होगा, यस, और आपको क्या करना है, उसपे अन अकेडमी कैट ज्वाइन कर लेना है। यस, एक बार अन अकेडमी कैट आपने ज्वाइन कर लिया तो आपको क्या मिलेगा, आपको मिलेगा नोटिफिकेशन। किस चीज का नोटिफिकेशन मिलेगा आपको? सारे लेक्चर्स, जितने भी लेक्चर्स है, और लेक्चर्स कितने हैं अभी तक, कितने आ चुके हैं लेक्चर, बड़ा देखो, दिस इज 59, दिस इज 59th लेक्चर on this, and there are 34-35 lectures on DI. 95 सेशंस हो चुके हैं LRDI में। I have taken 95 सेशंस, सारे के सारे हैं। All of them are well placed. आपको लेक्चर्स के नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाएंगे, आपको पूरा का पूरा नोट्स मिल जाएगा, कहीं जाने की जरूरत नहीं। एंड यस, यू कैन इंटरैक्ट विथ द एडुकेटर एज वेल। आपकी कुछ क्वेरीज है, यू कैन आस्क देम पर्सनली ओवर देयर। व्हाई? क्योंकि all the educators including me are admin. So if you want to connect with me, you need to be on this channel and look for admin. I'm one of the admin. You can connect with me from there. Subscription, the need of the hour. Need of the hour किसके किसके लिए? 2020 के लिए भी and 2021 के लिए भी. Many of students have already started to prepare for 2021. Don't lag behind. एंड 2020 के लिए बेटा, अगर अभी तक आपका प्रिपरेशन प्रॉपर नहीं हुआ है, इफ यू थिंक कि सर कुछ तो मिसिंग है, दिस इज द राइट थिंग। लेट अस हेल्प यू गाइज। वी आर एक्सपर्ट्स इन आवर ओन फील्ड। वी हैव टीम ऑफ 50 plus educators. Just imagine Arun Sharma sir is one of those 50 educators. Just imagine the kind of quality that we maintain. Minakshi Upadhyay ma'am, both of them are authors, are one of the educators, 50 educators. Just imagine the quality uncompromised. Nobody in the country can give you a better educator than Arun Sharma sir and Minakshi Upadhyay ma'am. All of us are there. Are 50 plus top educators of the country. I am one of the educator who works with them. Yes, not only live classes, you get mocks, you get doubt sessions, you get assistance in GDPI. ये भी आता है. Yes, we do assist you in VAT, writing ability test. And moreover, if CAT is not your thing, you think sir CAT नहीं करना है तो ZAT, NMAT, IIFT, इन सब के फुल कोर्सेज अवेलेबल है बेटा. और ये सब कुछ कितने में? इतने में ओनली. ठीक है, go for it. You have to apply this code to get 10% discount. This is the discounted price. Fine, चलो. having said that having said that having said that chalo, let's start today's session. Okay, or as the regular slogan goes, drop hashtag let's crack it in the comment box so that we can start today's session. Will be seeing this not online but offline. Yes, I am there, mark my words. I am watching this. I'm watching you. Okay, chalo, attempt this question. Now, as we discussed earlier, we would be discussing a few actual cat questions. This is an actual cat question. This is an actual cat question. Yes. Okay. Okay. Give me a second. Give me a second. एक छोटा सा एरर आ गया, मतलब yes, I'll have to add a blank slide. Go over there. I'll have to go over here. And where is it? I will select this. I will select this. I'll paste it over here. I'll put it over here. And I will minimize the size. And what I'll do, I'll delete this. And then I am on. चलो बस चेक दिस. वो क्या था ना, वो क्वेश्चन राइट से कंप्लीट नहीं था, वो कटा हुआ था. ठीक है, नाउ आई हैव टेकन केयर ऑफ इट. आई हैव टेकन केयर ऑफ इट. चलो चलो, I'll give you roughly 5 to 7 minutes to analyze this question. Go with it, boys. A new game show on TV has 100 boxes, numbered 1, 2, 3 till 100 in a row, each containing a mystery prize. Great. The prizes are items of different types A, B, C. All of them are in decreasing order of their value. Awesome. The most expensive item is of type A diamond ring. Oops, a diamond ring. And there is exactly one of these. There is exactly one of these. You are told that the numbers of items at least doubles when you move to the next type. Okay, awesome. Follow this constraint. So, एक क्वेश्चन का थोड़ा सा सेंस डेवलप करते हैं. ठीक है, द मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव आइटम इज ऑफ टाइप a diamond ring. Type A is a diamond ring, and there is exactly one of these. So A is diamond ring, and there is exactly one of these. You are told that the number of items at least doubles when you move to the next type. So indicates B is greater than equal to A. Yes. There would be at least twice as many types B. ठीक है? at least twice as many types of C as of B. अब C टाइप का कितना हो जाएगा? ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू B. ठीक है, D is greater than equal to C. Oh, not only C, 2 times na. Okay, I messed it up here again. We need to read this carefully. ठीक है, चलो. Now, double sum. So B is greater than 2 times A, greater than or equal to, it doubles up. It can be at least, it doubles up. It at least doubles up. So C is greater than equal to 2 times B. D is greater than equal to 2 times C, and so on. जितने भी टाइप है, A, B, C, D are different types of gifts. There is no particular order in which the prices are placed in the boxes. There is absolutely no particular order. किसी भी ऑर्डर में प्लेस कर सकते हो, तो ठीक है, फाइन, वेरी गुड. देख लेंगे फिर. चलो, अटेम्प्ट दिस क्वेश्चन. आई विल गिव यू 2 minutes. Sure. You have some more time left. The first question is, what's the minimum possible number of different types of prices? And the second is, what's the maximum possible number of different types of prices? Let's try to make sense of the question. CAT 2019 slot 1, this question was there. CAT 2019 slot 1, this particular question was. Okay. Fine. Chalo. We'll attempt this question. Chalo. Aja. Let me add this. Let us add a slide. We will need that. Or let us add a few more. Let's add a few more. देखो. What was given in the question? What's the minimum possible number of different types of prices? Okay. Let's imagine there are 100 prices to be distributed. There are 100 prices to be distributed. I have to minimize number of types. A is definitely one of its type एक ही है, करेक्ट। B, the criteria for B is B has to be greater than equal to A. That's the only criteria that needs not to be violated. एक यही क्राइटेरिया है जो वायलेट नहीं होना चाहिए। So I can write B as 99. C की तो जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी, तो दो ही टाइप में मेरा काम हो जाएगा। केवल दो टाइप के प्राइजेस में मेरा काम हो जाएगा। यस और नो? यस सर। Hence, the answer to the first question was 2. Correct? Now, give you 2 minutes time to analyze the second one. In LRDI, it is pretty important. It is pretty important that you struggle a little initially. That's not a movie running, ना? जो मतलब देखते जा रहे, you need to think. अब जितना सोचोगे उतना बेटर है आपके लिए। So this, what's the maximum possible number of different types of prices? You have exactly 2 minutes. Chalo, we'll solve this question. Second one. What's the maximum possible number of different types of prices? Chalo, again, the total is 100 and this time we need to maximize the number of types. आपको ज्यादा से ज्यादा टाइप्स चाहिए, तो एक टाइप को मिनिमम देंगे ना। We know that A is equal to 1, B is greater than equal to 2 times A, C is greater than equal to 2 times B, D is greater than equal to 2 times C, and so on. So B can be anything greater than equal to 2. तो why to assign it greater than 2? दो दे देते हैं। इससे क्या फायदा है, मुझे C को लाना पड़ेगा। C को 4 दे देते हैं, 4 से ज्यादा भी दे सकते हैं, लेकिन नहीं देंगे। क्यों? क्योंकि मुझे ज्यादा से ज्यादा डिफरेंट टाइप के प्राइसेस चाहिए। D would be 8, E would be 16, F would be 32, करेक्ट। ये कितना हो गया टोटल? ये टोटल कितना हो गया? This is the total of 32, 16 is 48, 48 plus 8 is 56, 60, 63, टोटल 63 हो गया, करेक्ट। अब f के बाद अगर g को लाया तो it would be 64. Minimum possible is 64. Now this will cross. This will be the total would be then 127, which is not desired. 127 as a total is not desired. We don't want that to happen. We don't want this to happen. Hence, sir, we will not assign 63. अरे बेटा, अगर 63 असाइन नहीं करोगे तो टोटल इज ओनली हाउ मच? 32, 48, 56, 60, 63. सर यहां तो 100 होना चाहिए ना. ठीक है, सर 100 के लिए कितना शॉर्ट पड़ रहा है? 37. वी आर लेस बाई 37. Sir, what we can do, we can assign entire 37 over here. Now, if E is 16, F should be greater than equal to E. F is greater than equal to 16. F could take any value, na? F could be 69. और भी possibilities है. F को कम कर दो, E को बढ़ा दो. F को कम करके E और D दोनों को बढ़ा दो. मतलब बहुत सारे combination है. This is one possibility. ठीक है, चलो. Hence answer to the second question was 6. Actual cat question, boys. So attempt this question. Which of the following is not possible? Another 2 minutes for this. Another 2 minutes for this. देखो, it is an easy but confusing. It's an easy concept, but it's quite confusing. Which of the following is not possible? Let's decode the things. Type B as 30. Okay, we have A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, चलो, maximum 6 टाइप ही possible है ना? We know this from this that maximum कितने टाइप possible है? 6 टाइप possible है. A, B, C, D, E, F. चलो, let's try to figure out the first case. 30 items of B are possible or not? Okay, we can put A as 1. This is always 1. C could be entire 70, 69. Yes. So exactly 30 items of B is well possible. कुछ भी कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट नहीं हो रहा है ना? 130 and 69. चलो, अब सेकेंड केस चेक कर लेते हैं. Exactly 45 items of C. Is it possible? यहां 45 दे दिया. Okay. Sure. Is it possible? I want to make the total as 100. Okay. Sure. अच्छा, एक बात तो देख लो. You cannot put D because of C. If C is 45, अगर C 45 है तो डी वुड बी एटलीस्ट 90, और 90 और 45 मिलके 135 तो इधर ही हो गए. We have only 100 items, so we cannot put D into the picture. We cannot put D into the picture. और अगर D नहीं आएगा पिक्चर में, D नहीं आएगा पिक्चर में, तो बाकी का पूरा 100 A प्लस B प्लस C होना चाहिए. And where A is 1, C is 45, B has to be 54. B has to be 54, which actually is not possible, because B has to be less than C. Na? Actually half of C होना जरूरी है. So the second case is not possible. This is not possible. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप बाकी के केसेस इग्नोर कर दोगे. You should check others as well. Let us try to check, sir, if E40, E75 possible है कि नहीं. क्यों चेक करना है? It will improve your understanding. When E75, so A, again we know that we cannot put anything in F. We have to A plus B plus C plus D plus E should be equal to 100, where E is 75, so A plus B plus C plus D should be 25. Is it possible? 1 इसको दे दो, 2 इसको दे दो, 4 इसको दे दो, 19 इसको दे दो, 18 आएगा, सॉरी 18 इसको दे दो. तो हाँ बाबा, E75 पॉसिबल है. There are exactly 60 items of type D. There are exactly 60 items of type D. Is it possible, sir? आ जाओ, वो भी देख लेते हैं. Rushing is not important. Well, आ जाओ. Can we put 60 items as D? ये 60. 1, 2, 4. कितना हो गया? 67. Out of 100, 67 are placed, 33 are left. D has to be 60. You cannot place E and F. तो एक काम कर लो, यहां 26 बढ़ा सकते हो ना, बढ़ा दो. बचा 7 यहां डाल दो. तो यस, इट कुड बी 1, 9, 30, 60, and none of the cases are violated. So this is fairly possible. This is fairly possible. Hence the answer should be second. It is not possible. 2 minutes for question number 62. 2 minutes for question number 62. Let me check if everything is going fine. Yes, everything is going fine. Attempt this question. Question number 62. चलो, what question says, question was little technical. You ask for the type of item in box 45. No, it is given in the question that there are 100 boxes. What is given? There are okay. There are 100 boxes. Okay, it's clearly mentioned. Fine. अब उसमें क्या है कि this 45th, you opted for this 45th box. You opted for 45th box. 45th box में निकला क्या? कुछ तो निकला. Let us say X निकला. 45th box में क्या निकला? X निकला. ठीक है? Now you were told, आपको क्या बता दिया कि अरे सर, you asked for the type of item in box 45. Instead of being giving a direct answer, you are told that 31 items of the same type of 31 items of the same type as box 45 are in boxes 1 to 44. बोल रहे कि सर ये जो शुरू के जो 44 बॉक्सेस है, इसमें भी 31 बॉक्सेस में यू हैव द सेम आइटम. मतलब यहां भी एक्स हो सकता है, यहां भी एक्स हो सकता है. दिस एक्स कुड बी एनीथिंग. दिस इज अ टाइप ऑफ आइटम. ओके. एंड सर 43 items of the same type as box 45 in 46 to 100. सर 46 to 100 इसमें 43 items है सेम टाइप के 43 items है. सो इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? इसका मतलब ये हो गया कि टोटल कितने आइटम्स हो गए एक्स टाइप के? एक्स टाइप के टोटल हो गए 31 प्लस 1 जो 45 में है प्लस 43. यस, ये क्या है? इन 1 to 44. ये क्या है? इन 45th. और ये क्या है? इन 46 to 100. टोटल कितने टाइप हो गए? 75. तो 75 मतलब देयर इज सम टाइप. देयर इज अ टाइप एक्स. जो 75 बॉक्सेस में है. Then the question is, what is the maximum possible number of different types of items? Then the question is, what is the maximum possible number of different types of items? Now the answer is straightforward. Straightforward इतना भी नहीं है. चलो, A, B, C, D, E. आपको ये मैक्सिमाइज करने हैं. So the 25 is left. एक इसको दे दो, 2 इसको दे दो, 4 इसको दे दो, 8 इसको दे दो, 16 इसको दे दो. और F को अगर 32 दिया, so this will cross. क्योंकि if X is a different type, it will cross everything. ठीक है? indicates ये जो 75 है, this should not be F, this should be E. ऐसा A B C D E, this should be 75. क्योंकि अगर इसके बाद आपने 75 दिया तो ऐड करो ना. 75 प्लस 16 इज 91, 99. तो आप E के आगे जा भी नहीं सकते. यू हैव टू लिमिट योरसेल्व्स टू E. तो E शुड बी 75 एंड देन 1 2 4 8 टुगेदर दे आर 83 87 90. 10 और चाहिए. 10 यहीं पर दे दो. 18 हो गए. 18 सॉरी फॉर इनकन्वीनियंस। 18 हो गए। तो मैक्स डिफरेंट मैक्सिमम टाइप्स ऑफ items possible are five. Five was the question. This was a question of cat 2019 slot 1. Question number 59, 60, 61, 62. Chalo. Attempt the second question. I'll have to restart it. Give me a little time. Let me restart it. Restarted it. Chalo. Attempt this question. Another cat question. Another cat question. A very good question. You have some 5 minutes from now. This is the question of CAT 2000 and I believe 17 slot 2. A tea taster was assigned to rate teas from 6 different locations. The locations are Munnar, Wayanad, Ooty, Darjeeling, Assam, and Himachal. Okay. Now these teas were placed in 6 cups, numbered 1 to 6, not necessarily in the same order. अरे सर बिल्कुल बहुत बढ़िया जबरदस्त. The tea taster was asked to rate these teas on the strength of their flavor on a scale 1 to 10. Awesome. He gave a unique integer rating to each tea. ठीक है, between 1 to 10, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. There was something unique. Some other information is given below. Cup 6 contained a tea from Himachal. Tea from Ooty got the highest rating, but it was not in cup 3. Great. The rating of tea in cup 3 was double the rating of tea in cup 5. Only 2 cups got a rating in even numbers. Awesome. Cup 2 got the minimum rating, and this rating was an even number. Fine. Tea in cup 3 got a higher rating than in cup 11, cup 1. Okay. The rating from tea Wayanad, the rating of tea from Wayanad was more than the rating of tea from Munnar, but less than the rating from Assam. Okay, great. What was the number of cup that contained tea from Ooty? Beautiful constraints. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Extremely good constraints. Shala. Check that quickly. I give you 3 to 4 more minutes from here. At this actual CAT question, they need some analysis. I'll repeat, we are not watching a movie. Our show dikha do. You should be working with it. Sure. Attempt. Shall we get hold of this question? Come on, let's solve this question. Chalo, dekho. Straight away, we come to understand, sir, this is a question of tables. Okay, yes, this actually is. So let's draw that first. Let this be places. Let me change the color of the pen. Rating. Mind it, the rating is unique between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The rating is unique between these values. Okay? Let this be cup 1, cup 2, cup 3, cup 4, cup 5 and cup 6. ठीक है, let me change the color of the pen again. Fine. Cup 6 contained tea from Himachal. तो कप 6 में क्या आ जाएगा? हिमाचल. ठीक है. Tea from Ooty got the highest rating, but it was not in cup 3. Ooty was not in cup 3, but mind it, it's an important constraint. Ooty got highest rating. It's an important constraint. Sure. Taken care of. Third, the rating of cup in T3. The rating of tea in cup 3 was double the rating of tea in cup 5. So we can say C3 is 2 times C5. Okay, yes. We can say that. Fine, the third has been taken care of. Only 2 cups got a rating in even numbers and one of them is C3. Only 2 cups got a rating in even numbers. We know that one of them is C3. कैसे पता चल रहा? Because this is C3 is 2 times C5. C5 could be even or odd, but C5 when multiplied by 2, C5 when multiplied by 2 produces an even number for sure. So C3 has to be even. कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं है. Only 2 cups got the rating in even number. Fine. Achha, only 2 cups got the rating in one of them is C3. C3. The other one is cup 2 got the minimum rating and this rating was an even number. Cup 2 got the minimum rating and this was an even number. This immediately lets me know 1 is out of the scenario. 1 is out of the scenario. I'm pretty sure now. I am pretty sure now. 1 definitely is out of the scenario. Okay. And one more thing. बाकी हर जगह you would have odd ratings. 1 तो नहीं है. So you will be having 3, 5, 7 or 9 in any order. In C1, C4, C5 and C6. Yes sir, that's correct. Tea in cup 3 got a higher rating than tea in cup 1. C3, the last clue. C3 is greater than C1. Awesome. ठीक है, चलो. Okay, अब we are done with the clues. How to start? How to start? The only better clue, the only clue to start with is this. C3 is 2 times C5. What could be the possibilities of C3 and C5? Let's try to figure out the possibilities for C5 and C3. Okay? We know that C3 is 2 times C5. C5 could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and C3 would be then 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay? But we know कि C1 is odd. पर C1 का क्या करना है? C5 is odd. Except C2 and C3, all others are odd. So when C5 is odd, C5 cannot be equal to 2. This is out of the system. C5 cannot be 4. This is out of the system. Also, we know that C5 cannot be 1. In that case, C5 would be with the minimum, and we know that C5 is not the minimum. C2 is minimum with an even number. So this is out of the picture. And yes, it cannot be 5 and 10. Why? Because if it is 5 and 10, we are saying कि C5 is 5 and C3 is 10. So 10 is the maximum possible rating, and we know that UT has the highest rating. So C3 must be having UT. C3 is the cup must be having the T from OT. But here we know कि C3 में OT possible नहीं है. Hence my whole assumption is wrong. Indicates C3 cannot be 10. The only possibility is C3 has to be 6 and C5 has to be 3. और इसके साथ ही you get C2 का रेटिंग. C2 का रेटिंग इज मिनिमम पॉसिबल एंड इवन. तो 3 से छोटा इवन नंबर क्या है? 2 only. So let's try to drop things out. 2 has been taken out of the system. 6 is not possible. 3 has been taken out of the system. ठीक है. और इवन हो गए. 4 इवन कहीं नहीं आएगा. 8 इवन कहीं नहीं आएगा. 10 इवन कहीं नहीं आएगा. ग्रेट. चलो. तो दिस क्लू हैज बीन टेकन केयर ऑफ. अब इसकी भी जरूरत नहीं है ना? नहीं सर, हमें तो नहीं है जरूरत. C3 is greater than C1. C3 is 6. What could be C1? 6 से छोटा तो एक ही मार्केट में अवेलेबल है, 5. तो C1 should be 5. चलो ये भी अब किसी काम का नहीं है. OT got the highest rating. This 5 is out of the system. अब बच गया 7 और 9 असाइन करना. 9 जाएगा ऊटी को, तो 7 किसको जाएगा? ऑब्वियसली जो बचा हिमाचल को. 7 यहां, 9 यहां और ऊटी वुड बी हियर. ठीक है. चलो. द रेटिंग ऑफ टी फ्रॉम वायनाड वाज मोर देन द रेटिंग ऑफ टी फ्रॉम मुन्नार. I can say that Wayanad is greater than Munnar, but less than that of Assam. So Wayanad is less than Assam. दार्जिलिंग के बारे में कुछ नहीं बोला. दार्जिलिंग could be anywhere. दार्जिलिंग could be anywhere. D could be anywhere. चलो आई होप आपको ये समझा होगा. I hope आपको ये समझा होगा. Let's jump to the questions. We cannot dig further. Let's jump to the question. The first question: What was the number of cup that contained tea from Ooty? Ooty 9. So cup number ना? Cup number is C4. Cat question है बेटा. Cat question. Cup number is C4. ठीक है. If the tea from Munnar did not get the minimum rating, what was the rating of tea from Wayanad? You know that the order is A greater than W greater than M. Question के according, Munnar is not minimum. तो मुन्नार के पीछे आ जाएगा दार्जिलिंग. So what was the rating of the tea from Wayanad? Wayanad would be second highest available. Wayanad would be second highest available. ये तो रेटिंग का ऑर्डर है ना. तो अवेलेबल में सेकंड हाईएस्ट क्या कौन सा है? हाईएस्ट इज 6, second highest is 5. So Wayanad would be 5. Chalo. If cups containing teas from Wayanad and Ooty had consecutive numbers, if cup containing tea from Wayanad and Ooty had consecutive numbers, which of the following may be true? Wayanad and Ooty. Chalo. Let us check. So question says Wayanad would either be on C3 or C5. But if Wayanad is on C3, Wayanad का rating would be 6, which is the maximum amongst the available. 6 के बाद 5 है. Indicates Wayanad का rating is not 6. Yes or no? Wayanad का rating is not 6. Wayanad cannot be in C3. Wayanad has to be in C5. Wayanad has to be in C5. And yes, so rating of Wayanad has to be in C5. Chalo, yes, we'll put this. Wayanad would be here. and Wayanad is here, so Assam would be here. You cannot predict for M and D. M and D could be here and here in any order. Munnar and Darjeeling. So which of the following statements may be true? Okay? He from Darjeeling got the minimum rating could be true. He from Darjeeling could be in Cup 2. So minimum rating could be 2 for tea from Darjeeling. It's possible. It's absolutely possible. I hope I'm clear with this. Sure. So we have taken 2 questions in today's session, and both of them were from previous year CAT question. Right? Sure. What we'll do, we'll sum up for the day. I hope you liked. I do recommend कि आप इसको वापस से एक बार try करो, since this is an actual CAT level question. Are you into the system? Yes or no? Come into the system. The faculties are working whole day, starting from 9:30 in the morning till 11 in the night. Only for your benefit. This entire content is free of cost. What else do we expect? The free content for CAT from the top educators of the country. Copy this link and paste it in the browser Chrome के browser में एक लिंक ओपन होगा, ज्वाइन एन अकेडमी कैट. क्यों ज्वाइन करना है? आपको सारे लेक्चर्स मिल जाएंगे, सारे नोट्स मिल जाएंगे, एंड अपकमिंग मेजर एग्जामिनेशंस के नोटिफिकेशंस मिल जाएंगे, एंड यू कैन इंटरैक्ट विथ मी. आई एम द एडमिन इन द ग्रुप. You can drop me personal queries आपकी कुछ भी है तो, regarding preparation strategy XYZ कुछ भी. Unacademy subscription is the need of the hour. Unacademy subscription is the need of the hour. You will be getting live classes from 50 plus educators. थोड़ा भी dicey है. Now this is going in 2021 as well. अब 2021 वालों को भी शुरू कर देना है. Most of them have already started. Appreciable, but yes, जिन लोगों ने शुरू नहीं किया है, even they should start. You should be interacting with the educator. This improves your understanding about the examination. You get that opportunity on subscription. Not only with one, but you can interact with all of them. Even Arun Sharma sir himself. Mock tests are important part of preparation. As of now, we have uploaded 100 plus mock tests. As of now, doubt clearing session, immense benefit. You don't learn anything in the questions that you are able to solve. You learn something new only in the questions which are like difficult for you. So doubtful जा रहा है, ठीक है? So it's very important, boys. Great, understand this. All you need to do is download the app and install this. ये सब आ कितने में रहा है? All of this is under 15,750. CAT का इतना पूरा preparation 15,750 में, बेटा CAT ही नहीं, XAT and MAT, IIFT, NAP, इन सब के full length courses added है इसमें 15,750 में. So I do strongly recommend the students should go with 2 years package क्योंकि they are quite casual. उनको एक attempt extra लगता है. Working professionals should go with an year's package. Yes, they can manage in an year. Chalo, we'll stop here for the day. Hope you liked this session. Do like the video to motivate both of us. Chalo, have a great day ahead.